Check out this Hyundai 2017 Accent SE. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle's top features included ultra black pearl, carpeted floor mats, gray cloth seat trim, mudguards, front-wheel drive, power steering, ABS, front disc rear drum brakes and brake assist. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.